Hello again, boys and girls. So I've got good news. Your assignment today, there's no writing and no recording. All I want you to do is practice describing things by their weight. So you could use your toys, you could use things you find in your house, making sure it's okay that you hold it and touch it. So for example, I have a marker and I have a jug. Which one do you think is heavier? Yeah, the jug is heavier. So I could say the jug is heavier than the marker. Or I could say the marker is lighter than the jug. Okay, now I've got my water bottle, and this has water inside it. And this is empty. So which one do you think is heavier? My water bottle. So now my water bottle is heavier than the jug. But look, which one's bigger? Yeah, the jug is bigger, so it doesn't matter what size. It's all about how much it weighs. How heavy is it? How easy or hard is it to carry? So the one thing that we are going to be using for our weight this week is trying to find a can of food. Or it could be like a can of soup. So beans, corn, soup, anything like this in a can, because we'll be comparing things to this later this week. So tomorrow and Thursday. So if I'm using my marker, the marker is lighter than the soup. If I'm using my water bottle, actually, you know what? You're going to be surprised because right now the soup is heavier than my water bottle. So your job today is to practice describing things based on their weight. See you tomorrow. Bye.